The job market for software engineers is very competitive. Let me be honest and open to you. So it's important to have a strong resume and cover letter, because your resume and cover letter are going to be first seen and shortlisted by the recruiter, not necessarily the very technical person. Therefore, it is important to have a strong resume and cover letter. You should also be prepared to answer questions about your skills and experience in coding interviews. You might typically have a telephonic round first, so you should be prepared to verbally communicate your technical skills. If you are persistent and keep applying for jobs, you should eventually be able to find a software engineering job. Network with other developers. Guys, this is an immense, powerful skill that would help you networking with other developers. You by yourself might not be able to learn, cover so many things inside the software engineering domain. Therefore, when you communicate, when you talk with other developers, when you network with other developers, you get to hear different domains, different scenarios, different use cases. That helps you greatly. Even you get to hear their interview experiences. Therefore, networking with other developers is a great way to learn about job opportunities and to get your foot in the door. Be patient and persistent. Stay tuned. You know what you have signed up is for a programming course. You want to be a programmer. How could one become a programmer? In other words, how could one become a chef? How could one become a scientist? How could one become a writer? What is the first thing in order to become something? First, you should find the problem area, isn't it? See, you want to be a chef. Why do you want to be a chef? Because you want to cook great recipes, right? You want to serve delicious food. These are the solutions. But what are the problems you are identifying? You might be a native, authentic chef, that you use native, locally grown spices to prepare your dish. So the problem you are solving is how to serve native, authentic food to people, isn't it? Likewise, in order to become a programmer, first you should understand what are the problems around you with which the programming can help you solve it. Let us look into the list of gamut of different problems that exist around us. This is a synopsis. You could be able to find problems on your own as you delve and with attention to detail look into the world. You would notice there are so many problems around us which requires sound programming knowledge.